Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 39. In 1666, the Great Fire of London erupted, a disaster that reshaped the city forever. Starting in a Pudding Lane bakery, the fire raged for 4 days, fueled by strong winds and wooden buildings. It engulfed over 13,000 houses, 87 churches, including St. Paul's Cathedral. Remarkably, few lives were lost, but the city was left in ruins. This calamity led to revolutionary changes in building codes and firefighting techniques. The rebuilding of London, spearheaded by Sir Christopher Wren, marked the city's transformation from medieval to modern. The Great Fire, a blend of tragedy and renewal, profoundly impacted London's history and skyline, symbolizing resilience in the face of calamity.